Are you having a problem knowing when to use adjectives and when to use adverbs? That can be a serious problem for those learning English language. Don't worry, we are here to fix that problem. This lesson is brought to you by Suzic Organic. Suzic Organic is a skincare company that is specialized in making products that are 100% organic. Hello, you're welcome back. My name is Mr. Solomon Agbe. Today on the lesson, we'll be looking at the difference between adjectives and adverbs. Also in the lesson, we'll be looking at some common mistakes made by English learners. At the end of the lesson, we'll have some assignments to do.
Now, let's start by understanding what an adjective is. An adjective is a word that modifies a noun or a pronoun. An adjective is a word that describes someone or something. Here are examples of words that can be referred to as adjectives. They are tall, black, loud, amazing. Let's see how these words function in a sentence. John is so loud. John is the noun. Loud is the adjective. Do we understand that? Now, let's take a look at another example. He is an amazing dancer. He is a pronoun. Amazing is an adjective. Is that understood? Very good. Let's have one more example. We made slow progress. We is a pronoun. Slow is an adjective. Now let's look at what an adverb is. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb. An adverb also modifies an adjective and another adverb. Here are some examples of adverbs. Slowly, very, well, loudly, amazingly. Now, let's have some few sentences. John is very tall. Very is an adverb. Tall is an adjective. He is an incredibly amazing cook. Incredibly is an adverb. Amazing is an adjective. He cooks really amazingly. Really is an adverb. Amazingly is an adverb. Both are adverbs. Wow. An adverb answers the question of how, when, where, what, and why. We can put it in this way. It answers the question of where, how much, manner, frequency, and time. Where, for example, there, inside, above. How much? Fully, almost, enough. Manner, fast, well, badly. Frequency, never. Often, always. Time, last year, today, now. Now. Good. Here are some more ways in which we can clearly differentiate between an adjective and an adverb.